In this video, I will show how to enable AI tools in Microsoft Excel. Click on Add-ins and you need to connect your laptop with internet. Click on More Add-ins. Now search here Chat GPT. So you will get this Chat GPT. Click on Add. Continue. So you have this option for Chat GPT. You can see how to get started. This is the video. You have 300 free executions to try AI function. Open or download example. You can download and you can see the how we can use the AI. Like you write here equal AI dot. So you will see these options: list, format, extract, translate. So list. Now enter the prompt and AI functions. So you will get these options like AI list. Click here and here the example. Click on insert and extend it. So you will get this AI data. Give me 5 email subject ideas for a product release company. So it will provide you 5 subject idea. Equal equal AI dot list and enter the your prompt quotation and press enter. So as we can see we have this fruit list. Thanks for watching, and to remove click on it, right click and remove add-in.